Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Play Store transaction was declined. So first thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and go to settings. From here, just scroll down and then go to apps. From here, just go to app management and then just search for Play Store. This one at the very bottom, so we'll tap on this one. From here, just go to storage usage and just clear cache or clear data. Again, we're gonna do it, clear cache. So once you're done doing that, go ahead and go back to your home and go to Play Store. Tap on your profile at the top right corner and then go to, let's do it again, go to settings. Once you tap on that, you'll be redirected to this page. So just tap on about. And from here, just tap on Update Play Store at the bottom. So as you can see, your Play Store is up to date, so that is a good sign. But if it's not, then you have to update it. So if the issue still persists, you can try checking your internet connection. You can switch from mobile data or Wi-Fi. You can also restart your router for better internet connection. And if the issue still persists, you can try restarting your mobile phone to avoid bugs and glitch. And that's it. That should help fix the issue, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!